Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today it is already 12:15. So let's call this a half a day in the life. Is that a thing? I don't know. Either way, it's coming at you. I have a ton of cleaning and tidying to do because the kids have all gone back to school and Ruby had a birthday, so I'm going to tidy up. I have also done a click and collect order of groceries, so I'll show you what we're getting in our groceries, and we're going to have a great day. We're going to get so much done, so I can't wait to take you with me. Alrighty guys, this morning I broke all of my own rules. We had to get out of the house. I had a meeting at the kids' school, and so we had to leave early, and I had to drop Hamish off and all sorts of other things. So the house got left crazy. But time is 12:30 now. The kitchen is not too bad. I'm going to quickly tidy up in here, and I'm going to do a run around, and I'm going to see if I can get everything at least somewhat tidy before 1 o'clock, and then I'll focus on getting, yesterday was crazy, and I just washed all day, so I've got a whole heap of clean clothes because we were away on the weekend. And honestly, guys, things have been so bonkers around here. We have so many exciting things coming, guys. I cannot wait to share them with you, so stay tuned for the goods. So as you guys probably know, I have been doing monthly grocery shopping, but the way our life is at the moment, it's not working very well. So I've done a grocery haul just to get us, because I'm actually a few days late from a week ago when I shopped. So I've got a small grocery haul to get us through till next week, and then I'll look into it then. But I'll show you what I get this afternoon. So all of you who've been waiting for a grocery haul, there will be a mini one this afternoon after I pick up our stuff from the Click and Collect, because shopping with a 2-year-old right now, it's more than I can handle. So I'm going to have this Coke no sugar. Then I'm going to tidy this kitchen, and I'll tell you how long it takes.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.
My kitchen was actually pretty clean. I was just doing a quick tidy up and stacking the dishwasher. We had been away on the weekend, so I had a lot of stuff that I'd bought up from the car and that was just in the wrong place. So I'm just cleaning down all of the countertops, and then as you can see, I've accumulated a lot of stuff into the lounge, which I got out of the car, which I'm going to tidy up and get put away as soon as I deal with a grumpy toddler.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Alright guys, did not reach my 1 p.m. target of being clean because Baba had a moment. But we're doing good. Out there, completely tidy. In here, not terrible, not awesome. But we're going to fix it. I did just shut the bedroom door, which is usually tingles Hamish's spidey senses that I'm one wall away from him and, you know, that can't happen. So he'll probably come knocking on the door any second. But I'm going to clean up in here. This rug needs a wash. The girls' room needs like a teeny tiny tidy. And then we should be right to just keep focusing on laundry. But I did actually only spend like half an hour and I've got completely all of the outside done. And I did clean the toilet. Now, I don't know if you guys want to see me clean the toilet. I clean my toilet every single day because we only have one and toilets freak me out. And then I had someone say to me that she didn't like watching people clean their toilet. So I was like, oh, okay. So I haven't been including me clean the toilet. But in case you're wondering, I do it every day. I just do. So I'm going to clean this room and then it's going to be getting close to time to pick up the girls. We'll probably come home and then do our click and collect later because I was late logging my click and collect order and I got the last like pickup, which is between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. which is like such the best time for a mum to go out. Not. Anyway, they're going to pick my groceries for me, so I'm not complaining. I am very grateful to the Woolworths people. And yeah, I'm just going to keep going. That's the State of the Union. So our comforter was actually in need of a wash, so I've just taken that off the bed to wash. I just changed these sheets so they didn't need to be washed, but just in case you're wondering where the blanket went, it's gone in the wash. Now I am just getting started on this cupboard. It is always a bit of a crazy town in there, but we use it every day, and so I'm not worried that it keeps getting messy because that's just in use.
Never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you.
had finished cleaning just in the nick of time to get the girls from school, so I am making a quick coffee to take with me because we are heading out after school. Okay guys, I am back. We played at the playground after school and then we went to pick up our click and collect order. And would you believe, in the small town I live in, we have 2 Woolworths, but I went to the wrong one. So I had to get all the kids back in the car and go to the right one. Anyway, it was fine. I got what I needed to get. And I thought I'll show you what I do when I'm just doing a little fill-in. So one of the things I always do is, if I'm doing these small hauls, is I make sure I'm keeping a tally of how much I'm spending every time. That way I still stay on budget. I know that ideally you would only go like once a month or once a week or once a fortnight or whatever to the shops, but sometimes life just doesn't allow for that. And in those seasons, you can still survive if you do small shops, still meal plan, but keep a tally of whatever it is you've spent. So I spent $60 exactly today, and I'll show you what I got. I was actually super happy with the prices of everything here. The only downside is Woolworths don't sell the rice milk that I like, so I will have to get that, but that's okay. I got 2 bags of these broccoli florets. I think they're 500 gram bags. They were $2.50. Normal soy milk, $1. I think it was $1.10. Quick oats. My kids have been really enjoying porridge most mornings. $1.40. I got these. These are new. I've never tried them before. They're meatless meatballs because, as much as I love TVP, I haven't found a way to get it to be a meatball. So I thought this would be fun. We might have it with like maybe mashed sweet potato or something. I'm not sure. Maybe zoodles. We'll see. Peanut butter, $2.40. Oh, this was $5, by the way. Dishwashing liquid, 99 cents, same as Aldi. Spaghetti, 65 cents. These wraps, you get 15 in here, but they're super soft, so I really like them for the kids' lunches or if we have burritos. These are $4 for 15. We have been transitioning from body wash to soap. So I decided to get this Eco Store soap. It smells so nice. It smells like it's coconut flavor, but it smells like a Bounty. It smells really sweet. Really good. We're going to give that a go. Deodorant. My dad used to wear this. I like it. It's Brute. It was $2. It was on sale. These veggie sausages, they were $6, but you get 6 in there. They're really good if you're going to have them like as a hot dog because they're longer than the other ones. Apples. I ordered pears as well, but they were out, so that's fine. A kilo of apples. 1.5 kilos of bananas. This is really like 4 or 5 days worth of groceries for us. Some fruit bars. We've been really busy and everyone's back at school, so they just tied me over. These bread rolls for school lunches, $1.80. These potatoes were, I want to say $4, and there's 3 kilos, I think. I think that's right. This is my favorite dairy-free spread. If you're in Australia and haven't tried it, I think it tastes better than Nuttelex. It's $2 for this giant pack, and that's the regular price. So it's Tablelands dairy-free. What else do we get? Wholemeal bread, $1.60. The kids really like that soft one. It's really nice and soft, and it doesn't have like that funny, grainy wholemeal taste. Now, they subbed this for me. It was supposed to be the pumpkin and sage one, but That's okay, it happens. This is mainly for the kids anyway, and they have a small amount of dairy, so that's okay. It was, I think it was on special for $3 or $4, but it was an okay deal. I ran in to grab some yogurt. Siri has been just having some tummy issues, and the doctor suggested some yogurt. So this was $1.47 on sale. So she'll just have those, and that's everything. And it came in at 60 bucks, and I click and collected. I love it. Keeps me on track. What I do with my click and collect is I just add it, anything I think of during the week, and then when I'm going to check out, it makes it so much easier. So guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because we have people coming. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you as part of our community. Here's some videos we think you might like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.